Last na talaga, last na. Last na. Okay. Sorry. Last na. Nakakainis yung yung lala mo. She was not following instructions, y'all. She did not comprehend the instructions. So, ayun. Pinagalitan siya ng landlord kids. Sorry na.
How do you flirt? How do you flirt online? Like, comment.
Like, comment.
Like, comment.
But then I say, wala, pinapaalam ko talaga na best.
Really?
Yeah, I don't give a if you don't like me. You can say that. I ain't wasting my time. If I like you, dati kasi parang, okay, blah blah blah. But right now, parang joke time.
Joke time until it's real.
Parang joke time ko na are you single? Ganon, jowa kita na. Pero kailangan ko bugbugin si Zimba na. Dapat kami yung magkasama sa di ba? Sa hosting challenge.
Kasi naman.
Ikaw naman kasi di ka lumapit eh. It's your fault.
Jake can grab you first.
Well, may na kami ni Jake eh. We talk na parang magkasama kami dapat.
See? You chose her over me.
Well, in that challenge, when I knew na parang may fashion, ako sabi ko, Zimba na to. Alam mo, si Jake pinag-ganito na, okay. For friendship.
Di sana tayong dalawa na huwag kang pa-baby. Ano sa?
No, kasi,
I know, right?
wala akong sinabi.
She didn't have a choice. She had that choice. The problem is...
It's fine. I feel like iconic.
The problem is, she was also a choice of J. Queen. So.
Well, yes. What?
Love y'alls. How many...
How many what?
Persons in y'alls?
Hello, pose. Last na talaga, din ako mag-walk out. Promise.
You're not joining any competition anymore.
Saka ng live eh. Buti na lang nandito sa sakit ng likod ko ha.
You did it Zimba your ways. What ways? Ways to walk out? Bitch, I would never do that.
Ano daw? What ways?
What ways?
Lumandi.
Like ways?
Turuan ko siya sumayaw.
Teach me how to flirt.
Turuan ko siya para sumayaw. Bet niyo.
How do you
She needs practice.
How do you say...
I feel like this is content. Palabas mo na yung camera.
Go.
Actually, oh my god, I should have...
My God. What do I do? Yeah, I'm gonna upload
Dapat
it.
ng film na lang tayo. Leche.
I want it. I want it.
I want it. This word, it's like... Kasi last minute kami nag-set up.
That's so cute. Game, wait.
The lighting.
Okay, it's recording. What are you gonna teach me?
So we're gonna teach Zimba how to flirt everybody. Cause like, mama, she's young, she's dumb.
How many guys do you have to be that credible though to teach me the ways?
Well, I probably have like... I can't count anymore, but you do the math. Pero ayun, may tanong si Zimba na parang...
Wait, let me record the voice.
Ay, oo nga, para pasabog yung
Just so-
another.
Okay, one more.
Hala, bakit?
Go.
Dagla... Ay! Puta,
Girl,
girl.
it's... Ano hindi pa siya bayad.
She said credit card. Dito talaga nag-film while filming.
Okay. Go.
Ano nga yung sinabi ko? Leche. So today, everybody, we're gonna teach Miss Zimba Day to flirt. Cause credible naman ata ako kasi sobrang malandi ako. So, play. So, what is your first question, Miss Zimba? Hindi talaga ako natalo sa hosting. Ito i-give. Charit.
Wait, would you tell guys you like them or no? How would you, and if yes, how would you spell that?
For me, sobrang direct ko sa tao. Like, if I like you, I'm gonna make it so obvious na parang, you wanna be my boyfriend agad? Like,
You wanna be my boyfriend?
you
When
are
the
my
fuck you
boyfriend. What do you mean you're gonna be? You are my boyfriend, love. Like, you don't have a choice. So, ayun, I'm like super direct.
I wanna know what's the age range of of the guys of the guys you like. I wanna know. I wanna know. Why are you laughing like that? Oh my God.
What do you mean?
You make it seem like it's
Wala.
a big deal.
I like...
I'm not laughing you.
I like... Parang... I'm sweating. Pero in my preference, in my fantasy...
Not my fantasy, but I wanna know the reality.
Diba, we're on live.
Oh, yes. Okay.
So, I think the youngest I can go is 25. The oldest I can go... Hindi ako P-word.
Well, yeah, sure. I believe you. I do believe you. Of course, you're Yudi Pota, my girl.
Exactly. And that is
believe
what...
everything you.
I'm never wrong.
Yeah.
Exactly. So back to the question.
25 up to what?
I think 25 to 35.
25 up to 21. Wait, how old are you first? I wanna know.
I'm like 23.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. 23.
Sure.
Young, beautiful. Wait lang.
Wait, may told ba kayo ng ano?
Gorgeous. Gorgeous on the camera.
May told ba kayo ng sa Instagram?
Which one?
Exactly. That's the
Sino?
point.
Who?
Cool.
Exactly. Of course. What do you mean hindi?
Kami rin.
Totoo ba?
Na,
They probably this video. Yeah.
and if I do.
And if you did,
Not that I did.
Yeah.
I will.
kasi yung videos, ito siya diba? He stopped na eh. Wala na ako pag-charis. I have to ask personally now. Because
You know what?
he doesn't do altar anymore. I'm sad.
Yudi Pota is my, what do you call it? My inner demon.
Well, yes. Gago na lost track na tayo sa ano, sa topic, diba? It was supposed to be flirting, not expose.
Well, that's content still, so let me see. I have another question.
Paano ba yung isang
I have
Zimba
another
Monday? Wait lang. I wanna know. Ako muna. Airtime ka naman. Speak.
What?
Paano si Zimba Lumande?
Girl,
Let the
I
judges
don't.
know.
I don't know how. That's why I'm asking you how.
Like, I just wanna know. What do
I
you
don't
do?
know.
You've dated 3 guys, so... 3 ba?
Nah.
Date you
I
na.
only dated one. One guy.
1 and 1 official.
One
1 and 1 official.
one official and one fantasy.
Exactly.
And one...
So, paano mo siya nilandi?
I don't know. He flirted me. I
How
just
did you
flirted
flirt
him back.
How?
I reciprocate
Like
the
how?
energy. Like, if he wanted to kiss me, I would not kiss him.
Paano nag-reciprocate yun, Zimba?
Pero I don't know.
What did you do?
Super... Bebe ko kasi, di ba? Super baby girl. Like, I don't know how to,
It's not you. It's not you. It's her.
Yeah, it's a me problem.
Yeah, di pa siya ready, I feel like. Because at her age, dati, parang I wasn't ready.
Right? But like, yeah, I'm such a baby girl. But like, I know what I want. Not really pala. Kasi wala pa naman akong experience so much. But, yeah, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I swear to Lord.
Good luck sa mag-i-edit ng video.
I don't know. I do edit it. So I'm gonna highlight code. I'm gonna
Oh yes, they probably know. They probably did. Because he was like #1 trending before.
Where
What was your question?
my question was, do you always get um, like ba?
I don't think so. I mean,
In three, like 5 guys, you flirted. How many guys?
I feel like sa limang guy na yan, they're probably... parang wala. Pero maybe 3 out of 5. They're gonna say yes. Because mostly kasi may jowa, so I don't wanna be a
Why would
homewrecker.
you flirt someone who has
I mean, if you have a jowa, I mean, dalawa na kayo sa akin na. Like, if I can't have you, I'm gonna have your jowa as well.
Actually, that's kind of beauty that I like. Ano ito? Poly.
Yeah. Kasi parang nasira yung brain chemistry ko nasira after the heartbreak.
So now you wanna break hearts.
OA. I don't do that.
Or break.
Break the back.
Break the back.
Charit. Yung back na lang. Hindi na yung back side. Charit.
Well,
Naano ko sa kape, girl.
see, don't vlog tayo ng mga...
Alam, meron...
Vlog ng mga tao.
Ay, andyan pa pala kayo. Oh my God.
Super
Sing it down vlogs. Talaga yung mga tao. Di ba, you don't have to like Zimba's video anymore. So, ala, oo nga no,
For those
naglalagay.
people who don't watch this live, go to my channel. Well, ano pala?
Exactly.
Right? That's how you do it. It's like Kumu and
Exactly.
Mama Briggs, YouTube account.
Yeah. It's gonna be on Zimba's. This is IG kasi naka-port.
That's right. Pero yung lighting na
Oh, girl, oh my God. Dapat nakaganito tayo. Period. Pero ang ganda ng ano.
you know,
Gorgeous.
technology.
Are we done?
I feel like, yeah.
Was that enough?
Was that enough content?
Ikaw lang naman nagbabay.
How many?
Leche. Laba na yun. Voice
That's so
over.
cute. And I'm Loban.
And that's all for today sa content ni Timba. Pansinin niyo si Mama John. Wait lang, asan siya? John, pumasok ka kasi, Leche. Ay, nilalamig ako with a combination of caffeine. Asan si John? Accept ko na. Miss John, where are you? Show yourself. Hello, sister. How are you?
I'm sick.
Ikaw, ano ka sabi? Sinoklo na naman.
Mama,
Paano?
I have a question for you. Why did Versex...
Alam, nagtitripan niyo si Vertex. Pag yung inamat sa inyo.
Why were you not in our show pala? Why did you not go last show? Pagkasis one. In Rampa. When was it? Friday.
Audience na naman ako nila. Wow.
Busy ko talaga, wow.
I was moving. Are you winner? Winner kasi.
Oo, winner ako. Sobrang busy. Oh my gosh. Maxi could never. Ano masasuggest mo kay Zimba, Miss John, kasi di niya alam lumandi? Go.
Lalagyan ng label. Kung walang label, wag niyo ituloy.
Lumandi lang sis, hindi yung official, Leche.
How do we get to the label part if we don't know something?
If you don't landi.
First, that's true.
Sino ba mag-first move? Ikaw o siya?
Ikaw na lang mo dyan for me.
Saan kasi?
Ay, parang may kurot yun kay Zimba. Mahal mo. Mahal mo na.
That's so crazy.
Zimba, ilang taon ka na? Wala ginawa ko audience.
Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Ilang taon na yun si Zimba? Ilang taon ka na ba?
23.
23? Hala.
So,
Ang tandaan nyo na.
Oo. Tanda niya na.
sabi ng 33.
22 lang ako.
Sorry.
Magkikita pala kami ni John.
Zimba, Zimba,
Yeah.
naniligaw na ba sa'yo? Naniligaw si Frankie. Zimba, nanliligaw ba sa'yo si Frankie?
Let's talk about Frankie.
Let's
Kasi,
not talk about the guy not here.
papuntayin natin. Frankie, baby, come over here.
Tanong niyo yun.
Nanliligaw sa'yo si Bad. Nanliligaw siya sa'yo, buddy.
Please, huwag yung bigyan ng airtime.
Ay, huwag na bigyan ng airtime. O, kamusta si Mama Pao?
Ayo, papagawa ng damit para sa for,
Alam niyo, nakakasad. Walang drag ko.
oo, kasi may gig tayo.
Nakakasad, walang drag ko.
Oo nga, wala
Bakit
na.
hindi ko alam na walang dragon? Bakit alam niyo?
It's because, girl, common sense, walang LA. So why would you go there without the LA itself?
I mean, LA didn't burn down, like everything. Like,
But
was it like that bad?
it affected the part where we're gonna do our
Get.
drug.
Get. Frank.
Yun na nga lang yung natin ng mga bading papansin.
Kaya, San Francisco na lang tayo. Diyan na lang tayo sa inyo.
Dito, magda-drag con tayo dito. Dito na yung drag con.
Exactly. Sabi ko nga kay Dimba, wala na tayo premiere, wala pa tayo finale, wala pa drag con. So,
Parang
na lang tayo?
kawawa ang season 3, no? Pero tayo yung pinakamataas na rating. Pero kawawa tayo.
I think you deserve a drag if you walk out.
But am I gonna be there? I'm just doing this for you guys. Kawawa yung wala kayong clout eh. My gosh. Walang po.
Sana man lang makapunta kayo dito sa drag con. Para mabenta ko si Zimba.
Naluloko ako sa mga tweets mo. Like with men. Actually.
My God, like, that's not the Mama Jan I knew before. Like, that's not who you are. Hala.
Pero naluloko ako whenever you post something with guys. Like,
OnlyFans na ako. Next in OnlyFans.
oo nga.
Tama
Parang
yun.
talo ako ni Jaga.
Yung draga-draga,
TV. My God. So, mag-subscribe kayo kay John sa bagong channel niya sa Telegram.
Nakikita mo pala yung Zimba. Bawal sa'yo yon, bata ka pa, Zimba.
Oo. Oh, thank you. Thank you sa advice. Ang bata-bata ko pa eh.
Oo. Sino ba si Yudi? Ay, ako si Yudi. Tumutropol pa nga yan.
Wala na nga eh.
Naloka ako.
Wala na.
Si Yudi po, nasa amin yan. Ay, nagstay siya sa akin. Tapos, niloko niya kami na metropol sila.
That's like literally fetish of beauty pot.
Tapos paniwala kami. So we're like respecting her own thing. Tapos paniwala kami. Pala.
Yung after filming.
Oo, after filming. Sana binuking ko na lang yung ano.
Hindi kasi, nung pumunta ako kay John, may kasama akong lalaki. Yung fling ko. Tapos kasama ko si Josh.
Totoong fling mo pala yun.
Gino ko na katrapo na. So, naniwala si Bakla. So, pinabayaan niya kami.
Was it cute?
Girl, yung kanina yung pinol ko. He's handsome. Di
That's
ako,
not ulit name.
Ken.
May kwarto pa sila. 3.
Oo. Muntik na kami mag-chook-chop.
Totoo pala.
Okay. Okay, Limba.
I guess.
For adults. Yun. Two is better than one. Sabi ng ano kumanta nun?
One is better than none.
Exactly.
Right? So I need some.
Zimba, wala man lang ako sa birthday mo. I just wanna say happy birthday.
Wala. Alam mo, Mama Jan, magde-date ako pag nandito ka.
Sayang nga eh. Pero, kaya, para namang hindi naman talaga kailangan si John Pedeliaga doon. Pasabog yung birthday mo eh. Husay.
Thank you.
Tsaka, hindi mo naman kailangan si Mama Jan mo doon, si Frank. Charing.
Let's go. Nainis ako dito kay Udipota. Nakita mo yung post si Udipota sa Twitter? Which one? Crazy. Sobrang crazy.
Hindi, nalilito nga ako dito kay Judy Puta. Ano ba?
Diba? Sobrang daming... Ano talaga pag kulang sa attention. That's because you're pretty enough to get guys. Thank you. You're gonna get guys from me. I only heard maganda ako. So what else are you saying? Ano mo magandang mukha kung pangit ako, guys?
Ay,
That's
gago.
it's just
I'm just staring.
Pero pag ayaw mo kay Frankie Zimba, dito lang ako. Hindi para sa'yo. Pag ayaw ko
Alam mo ba, Simba, hindi tayo nakapag-banding. Ang dami ko sa'yo gustong tanongin, kaso nga laging andyan sila. Ano? Hindi ko matanong-tanong.
Alin?
Basta. Charing. Yung mga gusto ko sa'yo tanong yan. Hindi ko matanong-tanong.
Wala akong masasagot eh. I-chat ko na lang sa'yo lahat ng kailangan mo malaman.
Ay, pa. Parang alam ko naman na.
May jowa ka ba?
Wala. Hindi na totoo yung jowa nyo. Ako. Huwag kayo mag-jowa dyan.
Tama.
Oh. Mas masaya. You focus on your art. You focus on your craft. You focus on
Sana.
yourself.
Sana. Pero may lalaki eh. I feel like mas madami si John, honestly. Bilang alam ng mga taong bayan yan, si John.
Hindi po.
Lalaki.
Nag-enjoy lang po. Pero gusto ko pa rin yung fantasy ko yung katawan ni Yudi.
Katawan? Tumaba na nga ako eh.
Yung waist niya kasi, te. Ha? Tagwa. Mas fantasy ko si Zimba. Zimba mas fantasy kita. May buging ka na eh. May buging ka.
Pinabalik ko.
May buging ka eh. Mas fantasy ko yan siya. Alam niyo na nag-inip ako na may suso daw ako.
What?
May suso daw ako.
Ayan, nakikita na. Sobrang sikip. Sobrang Jolina.
Sobrang Julina.
Who started that? Oh my God.
Napanood ko yun, sobrang Julina. Pero may buging daw ako, tapos yung pang, alam niyo yung 90s na buging. Yun kasi, if ever magka-buging ako, yun yung gusto ko yung 90s. Meron daw ako, sabi ko, ay, achieve. Yung parang flat na may suso. Yung maliliit lang.
Baby.
Parang,
Ito, makita?
parang ganyan.
Diba?
Parang ganyan. Pang model.
Wait lang. Mamaya, tawagan na lang kita. Or ito ko na. Boob reveal, Zimba.
Parang, siguro kasi nakita ko yung kay Angel, so parang, pinantasi ko. Sana ako din.
True.
Pero yun, wala lang. Ay, nakita niyo ba yung boobs ni Tiara, ni Plastic Tiara?
Yeah. Yung parang silicone.
Yeah.
Na nilagyan niya ng ganun, so I was planning to do that on my breastplate too.
Kaya pala siya seamless. Nasa costume pala siya.
Kaya
Talino.
nga, sabi ko, ay, ang ganda. So parang gusto ko siya gawin. Pero kasi
Oo.
silicone, so iniisip ko anong pandikit niya. B700. B7,000
Sabi sa akin, silicone din daw.
Ha?
Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi niya sa DM. Pero, screenshot. Custom.
Gusto ko nga gawin sa akin eh.
Yeah, there's like a silicone maker dito sa Pinas. Maybe you can, hit them up.
Tapos ito pa, ang napansin ko sa silicone niya, nilagyan niya ng tela sa sa loob
Timing.
para kasi di ba yung silicone medyo nangangasim siya.
Exactly.
Nangangasim siya after. So parang nilagyan niya ng tela para hindi siya ano. Sakit ako Hindi ako makasalita pero nakakasalita ako sa inyo.
Well, yes.
Ito naman si Pikachu eh. Sorry. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung Pikachu namin? Pikachu namin yan.
Di kasi napagawa ng costume tsaka nasa vacation.
Judy will always surprise us. Kaya naman I'm so excited makita ka sa... Charay.
Dapat pang pang malaking pag-reject talaga. Hello. Yeah, hello. How are you, my love?
Say hi to my friend.
Airtime.
Si Frankie yun? Akala ko ang name ka mo ni Frankie, Franco.
I named him Frankie.
Ikaw nag-name.
Tapos, yeah, everyone started calling him Frankie after I...
Ay, totoo ba? Akala ko Frankie talaga yung name niya.
It was Franco and then I called him Frankie.
Oh,
Then
Franco pala talaga.
Okay.
Ikaw rin yung bagong magulang niya.
What?
Ikaw na yung bagong magulang niya.
Oo, kasi ako nagpapaaral, di ba?
Uy, saan kita pala decision kasi ba? Tapos, ayun. Sa katangat.
Pinuksa yung throat.
Ha?
The Wens. Wow.
I know.
Feeling ko sasali na sa AIM si Zimba. Anong AIM?
Anong
AIM is the dance organization of Frankie's group. Sila.
Yes. Why not?
Edi siya yung pinakamagaling doon.
Ha?
Edi si Zimba
Ikaw na daw pinakamagaling.
pinakamagaling doon.
Ba? So mo dyan naman. Ikaw
Ay!
pa rin.
Ay, ayaw niya i-give. Ay.
Ayan. Since tatlo yan, sobrang sarap, sobrang Latino, sobrang sikip. Pili kayo ni isa. Tag-iisa lang tayo.
Ako na yung sikip.
Ako yung sikip. Ako yung
Yung sikip. Si Angel kasi yung sobrang
Si Mama dyan ay sobrang Jolie.
Well, yes.
That's Travis.
Ang mas sobrang Julina si Kiana.
That's Travis over there.
The dancer.
That's Emilio.
The dancer.
The dancer was loving you.
Period. See you soon, my love.
Sobrang Jolie na.
Uy, push niyo naman si Angel na ilagay na niya sa Spotify yung niya. ANGL.
Why? Di pa ba?
What? What?
Di niya nilalagay kasi sa ANG, yung niya.
Busy.
Ang sarap.
Busy back.
What are we talking about?
Yung song ni Angel, nilalagay na daw sa Spotify.
Alam mo kung anong song yung gusto kong malagay sa Spotify?
Ano?
Magiging akin ka rin.
Yung bagong song mo, patabo. Ano na?
Dapat kasi si Maxi kasama ko dun.
Yeah.
Asa na yun?
Si Maxi dapat kasama ko dun. busy si Bading.
Asa na yung house music ni Mama dyan?
I also think
Pero baka i-release ko siya, i-mastered. Ano ang tawag doon? Remastered. Parang i-remastered ko pa siya kasi medyo hindi.
Master ka na.
Kasi hindi pa
Ba for you?
hindi ako masaya sa niya beats. Parang medyo low pa yung niya.
ano ka magiging masaya kung hindi mo pinipiling mo. Super.
Gusto ko nga kasali kayo sa music video eh.
Yes, sure.
Aura lang. Okay.
Song all about that.
Sana magkaroon tayo ng tour, no? Season 3.
Why not? Pero nandyan ka wow.
Uwi ako, basta sabihin nila.
What about Miss Tesla?
Oh my God, walang
Kaya ko naman mag-leave. Nakasali nga tayo eh. Charing.
Elon Magad.
I think I can get away with anything.
Sana all. Hiring ba yung Tesla? Gusto ko na lang mag-Tesla. Ayoko na
May
mag-drive.
Tesla dyan. Gusto mo ba mag-apply? May Tesla dyan.
Tawad, ano lang tae-tae, girl, no.
No, like, meron silang admin, may HR sila.
Parang di
Diyan sa
align sa
Philippines, sa Taguig. Sa Taguig. Sa Tesla sa Taguig. They're
But are they
hiring.
paid the same?
Not sure. But they're hiring.
Late. Gag, ginawa na talaga video ko.
Bakit ganyan pala yung resume dyan sa inyo? May picture.
Exactly.
Wala bang picture dapat ng resume?
With
Sa amin dito wala. Bakit may picture may photoshoot? Charing.
You wanna see the face.
kasi ginajudge daw.
Because, you know, if you got face card, you don't need credentials. Or
Kaya nga, naniniwala na talaga ako sa
that's what I do.
sa
That's what
ganda.
I get.
Yun na talaga pinaniniwalaan ko yung ganda.
Kaya pala di na need ng picture mo.
Hindi na. Hindi na.
Hindi na
Ba?
what I miss that time when we took a selfie.
Bakit hindi mo ni-repost? Hindi niya ni-repost. Hindi niya ako love.
Because I look so... oo nga no.
Hindi niya ni-repost. Hindi niya ako love. I was just saying happy birthday.
Wait, were you there?
Kasama sa doon.
Yeah, exactly. The first outers, no.
I can't relate. So,
Kayo kasi, hirap na hirap sa buhay, kailangan ng competition.
yung kayo
Hindi, kaya nga si Simba sumuko sa huli.
Naglag ako. Wala connection, nag-walk out.
Ay, sorry.
End live.
Ba't nag-end kanina?
Bakla may tumatawag na Lala Move, leche.
actually,
Akala
hindi
ko tinignan.
Yun.
ano po? Home credit. Sinisingil na
Oo. Yung pera mo bakla, di ka mo mabayad. Kaya, tip your queen.
True. Like,
True.
right now.
Talaga, right now, please.
09.
Hoy, in fairness, pasabog ang tip sa sa Vice.
Sobrang pasabog mo.
Thank you so much.
The people, it's you.
Miss Summers, call Eme. Ate Yudi, Simba po, shoutout naman po.
Magbabasa na talaga. Trixie Manalo, hello my love. Napansin na kita, go!
Self out.
Bakit wala tayong ganito nung nandyan ako?
Exactly. Alala talaga.
Exactly.
Puro rehearsal. Puro
Over
kami
there,
rehearsal show.
over there,
Wala tayong
we that have.
wala tayong banding nung umuwi ako. Pero alam nyo ba,
Wrong timing.
Uwi mo kasi puro ka-booking dito. Di mo
Pero-
kami binanding.
pero kapag, sayang kasi, charing. Pero pag umuwi ako with my own pocket, sabi ko talaga, I'm not taking any books. So, talagang mag-have fun lang ako.
Exactly.
Galit na.
Mag-hahapan lang daw siya. Umuwi siya.
So, you didn't
Basta
have...
pag ako yung nagpa-uwi, hindi ako mag-show. Para naman banding ko lahat. Alam niyo yung mga kaibigan ko sa Cavite, hindi ko malang nakita. Wow, yung mami ko sa Cavite, wow, hindi ko na naano. Kaya pag umuwi ako this time na ako magpapa-uwi. Sana may time kayo.
Yan, bakla. Everybody, look around everybody on mute. Charis. Girl, ang ingay ng mga tao. Pagalitan mo nga. Who is this? Hi, baby.
Judy is the first queen that I've seen that is using a baccarat na pabango sa Pilipinas na drag queen.
Totoo ba? OA?
Ikaw nga una ko nakita.
Well, I think Marina has an expensive perfume. I don't know. Marina's using Prada. I've seen.
Ako nga isopropyl lang eh.
OA. Alam mo yung perfume ko now? From Baccarat to Bebe.
Ay, pabebe siya. Wag kang pabebe. Wag kang pabebe.
Ito favorite ko to. Yung Daily Santa Blue. I love it. I love it, love it, love it.
Napaka high-end ni Judy
Yes.
kapag ginawa niyo siya.
Minimix ko to sa Baccarat to. Para
Totoo.
buksan. Oo. Like Baccarat and then tapos. Mama, dyan ka dito ka na bakaluto. Pagkita mo. May tanong si
I have a
Zimba.
question, like genuine question.
Ano yan?
Ganito ka na daw ba?
Ano daw?
So, sobrang dami mo, yung mga Twitter mo, yung post mo. I wanna know if, I genuinely wanna know if ganito ka na. If ganito na siya. If ganyan na siya kaluwag.
Ay hindi.
What? Well, yes.
May ginagamit ako. It's an, they call it
You're gonna talk
asset.
this now.
May ginagamit
And
ako,
I'm
they
not
call
part
it
of this.
asset. So, bumabalik siya.
Oh, I wanna know.
Bumabalik siya, gumagano siya, te.
Pero gusto ko muna maging ganito bago ko siya babalikin.
Ay, hindi pwede. Hindi lang fantasy. Di ba
Nakita ko,
fantasy?
parang warak.
Ako ganyan, pakapa.
Nakakatawa! Oh my God, that's so funny.
Alam mo, Zima,
I don't know,
alam mo kung hindi ko lang gusto makipag-tropol sa mga magulang mo, okay lang ako eh.
if you're gonna do trouble with my parents, then that means you're gonna be my step uncle.
Bastos ka, bastos! Bastos ka!
You're gonna be my uncle? Uncle.
Angkol.
Uncle.
The best talaga yung walkout moment mo sa Drag Race. Perfect ka dun. Oo,
Ano ulit?
Nag-iisa lang si
What? Oh my
sa'yo,
God.
James Cuabelo. Hala, si Eric. Hi, Eric.
Sino si Eric?
Masarap yun si Eric. Alam mo ba yun, nandyan ako, ang daming mga papansin.
Ano?
Ang daming mga pa-fall, mga ganyan. Akala naman nila
Sino?
ba
I wanna know.
si Frankie.
What do you mean?
Ay, sorry. Mali pala. Maling name. Crazy.
Crazy. Namiss ko na si Frankie.
Hindi mo man lang siya formally pinakilala sa amin.
Ba't ko lang siya mapakilala sa'yo? Wala namang yung dati pakilala. He's like literally a normal guy living in my world.
Kaya nga, hindi mo man lang kami pakilala. Hey, this is Frankie.
Ayoko nang ganun pakilala. Pag pinakilala ko parang, wow, may something talaga. Ayoko.
So walang something. Nga. Ikaw mag-ingat ka sa mga ganyan-ganyan ha. Ikaw,
Saan ako mag-iingat?
iingatan mo yung puso mo kasi yung puso mo yun ang parang ng pinaka.
Alam mo, ingat ako sa puso ko. Ang ayokong ingatan.
Okay lang, huwag mo ingatan yun. Basta yung puso mo.
Masyado na siyang ingat na ingat. Ewan.
Kaalaga. Kapag hinaktan ka ni Frankie, kukutusan ko ka mo siya.
Nah, let's not talk about Frankie. Oh my God, let's not give him airtime.
O kayo na lang ni Yudi, kayo na lang isisip namin.
Pero alam mo ba si Frank?
Ay, wow. Ang bababoy.
Ano?
Ang bababoy niyo, ang bababoy. Wala kayong wala kang, di ba meron kayong Del Norte? Kailan yun?
That's March 16. Yeah.
Matagal pa.
Why?
Hindi, kala ko na this week na rin yun. Wala, nalilito ako kay Zimba. Ba't na siya ganyan?
What?
Yung bata natin na si Zimba, nagiging ano na siya. Ready for a mature. Oy, teka lang. Sabi dito ni Shanae Faye. Hello from
Oh.
Ireland. Hello, Shanae Faye. Gago, afam yan, umayos ka, Zimba, umayos ka. Kung i-model mo, ibibenta kita. Afam yan, umayos ka.
Why?
Shanae Faye, this is my friend Zimba.
Hello.
Do you like him? Do you like her? Do you cherish her?
Oh my god, you're so disrespectful for calling me him or her when
Oh,
in
sorry,
fact,
sorry, sorry,
not really
sorry.
them.
Sorry. Do you like Day? Hello from USA here. Ay, sabi ng
Hello,
USA.
hello, hello, Stephen. Oh my god,
Ito
Stephen.
naman si Stephen.
I have an Instagram you can follow, and you can just, you know, message me for free, and I'm gonna show you, you know,
She's gonna show you this.
what.
Alright.
See, I will see,
It's Simba Ding.
I will see it. I will see.
It's
And if you
Simba
message me right
Ding
now,
na nag-trending for the
wala,
first challenge. Pero ang nanalo, si Kiana.
wala naman, Stephen. Where are you? Stephen, where are you? Why don't you refresh it? Why don't you unfollow me and follow me again?
Ay, wow. May mauto siya. Nagpagawa ka ng
I just
lips, Simba?
what?
Ng lips?
Why?
Ang ganda ng lips mo, may pag ganun. Oh, hindi. Yan yung
No,
sinasabi ko sa'yo na gusto ko sa lips mo.
I just had my first kiss.
May
Oh,
first kiss ka na.
follow me before. What if you unfollow me and follow me again? So you know I can see it right now, or I can just follow you right now.
Ayan
Look
na siya.
crazy.
Ayan na siya. Nag-fantasy na siya.
Let me search. Let me search you. Are you cute? Oh my god, I wanna know if you're cute.
Ala, ayan na siya. Tingnan nga natin si ano.
I wanna know what love is.
Oh, report. Report.
Anyhow,
Yes. Charing.
Beauty is
Dalaga na si Simba Ding.
talking to someone right now. I don't know if this is her type, but I don't agree.
Alam niyo si Simba Kang. Napakatahimik na. Demure, wow. Hindi siya masyadong
I still am.
nagdadalaga siya.
I still
Nagdadalaga
am.
siya. May sarili siyang mundo. Tapos, focus. Nagdadalaga siya, ti. Alam mo yung kapatid mong lumalaki, tapos hinahayaan mo lang. Hayaan mo siya dyan. Kasi nagdadalaga na siya. Ganun siya.
Yeah, that's right.
Iba siya, nagdadalaga na siya.
I like to have my own space. I like to have my own time. I like to have my own.
Naglag siya, naglag. Yan niya siya. Naglag siya. sabi ni Mama Jiggly, Yudi pero Zimba. Hinak po ni Zimba.
Mama Jiggly, can you give me some guys? My God. Bigyan mo ko ng men.
Bigyan daw siya ng men. Hindi binibigay yun. Lumalapit. Dapat hinahayaan mo sila lumapit.
Oh.
Oo.
Mama.
Shoutout Dan Paul Silvestre. Pero ang fresh mo ngayon. Mas gusto ko ganyan. Ang fresh mo ngayon. May cheeks ka. Diba? Ganda ng laga namin. Diba siya?
Ang daming lalaki ni UD dito nakikita ko right now.
Mas magaling si Jan kung lalaki na bayaran ka. Sige,
Nanonood lang.
turuan kita. Pakaya, majigli. Hindi ako
Mas magaling si
nagbabayad
Jan
ng
kung
lalaki.
Kung lalaki na bayaran ka, sige, turuan kita, lol.
Dito sa Zimba, sa Pilipinas, ay dito sa Amerika, Diyosa ako. Nakukuha natin lahat. Pag dyan sa Pilipinas, may mga bayad Kakapal na mukha.
Talaga ba? Talaga ba? You know what? I wanna go there so bad. Like, so bad. So bad. I wanna go there for the men to crave for me.
Oo, ititreat ka ditong girl.
I wanna be treated like Josa. Oh my god. That's like a fantasy.
Yes, ganun ka naman eh. Di ka nga bumayad, pero libre mo.
Because here in the Philippines, I'm being treated like I'm a guy.
Gusto mo magpabayad na ako, mag-OnlyFans na ako, ma. Basta ikaw, manager ko, Majigli. Majigli ka, manager ko, Yun na lang, na tayo mag-drag race, ma. Majigli, huwag na tayo mag-drag race. Mag-ano na lang tayo, OnlyFans, ganyan.
All you can show me.
Pero Zimba,
yeah?
model talaga yung pes. Yung sa beauty.
Not now. Hindi na ngayon.
Bakit ba?
I gained fats and medyo malaki na ako right now. Like I'm not in my motherless type of.
Tinigil mo naman na so babalik na yan.
Well, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
Majigli ka ngayon magiging manager namin. Wow. Ayun si Majigli, kausapin niyo sa drug con. Walang drug con ba din?
What?
Walang drug con. Sabi mo kay Mama Jigli.
Kaya nga, kawawa naman tayo.
Mawala na nga kaming premiere, wala pa kaming drag con. Kawawa naman kaming season 3. Talaga namang kinawawa nyo ang season 3. Oy, bigyan nyo na lang kami ng tour. Oy, charing. I think that would be fun, ha? Na magkakaroon tayo ng tour. Season 3 tour. Lahat tayo. Kaso mag-aaway-aaway na naman tayo dun.
What the?
Ewan ko pa sinong may balat sa season 3. Una, hindi natuloy na maging 12, naging 11 lang. Charing lang. Charing. Pangalawa, walang premiere. Laging may kulang sa amin sa season 3.
What?
Lagi tayong kulang, lagi tayong kinakawawa, pero tayo yung highest rating. Paano ba yan? Charot lang.
Wala, nanunumbat ka naman, Mama Jo.
Wala naman tayo talaga. Alam mo, wala pa tayong drag code. Yun nga lang. Yun yung ina-expect ko yung magsama-sama kami.
I wanna know.
Yun yung experience ng mga girls. Sad. Kaya nga, feeling ko ang may balat dito, si Mama Rems. Charing.
Wait, ano na ba ngayon? Friday? Thursday?
Hala. 3, 4. Inom na nga ako ng gamot, mga bading. Ako'y magpapahinga na. Zimbading.
Thank you,
Zimbabwe!
Mama Jan.
Ang galing-galing ng
Magbababay na.
performance mo. At ang runway,
Bye,
ang ganda-ganda.
love.
Bye, bye sa swam.
See you soon, see you soon. Love you,
See
Lollipop.
you,
Bye.
love.
Ingat. Go. Ano na, balik ko kayo session 4. Okay, babalik tayo ng session 4. Go. So, guys, is John still here? Nasa All-Stars po kayo. I don't know. Um, so we're planning, another meet and greet sa March. But to make it fun, I'm gonna exhibit some looks. And it will be held sa bahay. So it's like an intimate meet and greet, chika session. Ayun. We're gonna release the poster on first week of March. It's Wi-Fi poster, yung pinaka Wi-Fi poster, and I'm with my manager. So trabaho tayo sa March, like kailangan ng pera card. So yeah, if you guys wanna see my look, yeah, meet and greet, and you get to meet the clothes as well. Nasa akin pa. Go. So, ayun. We're busy right now. So, I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Magbabay ka na, Zimba. Go. Zimba, say goodbye to the people. The sweet girl. Sweet girl.